Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The RSI has moved sharply into the positive area. BMW stock has fallen 0.1% in the last session. Stochastic is receding into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. Stochastic shifted sharply into the positive area. The Aussie dollar pair has gained 0.7% in the last session. The ROC has transitioned sharply into the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
More Chinese healthcare operators are seeking to kick off their initial public offerings in Hong Kong soon, as Tencent-backed WeDoctor is seeking a listing within 2 months. A gauge of global stocks was on track for its biggest one-day percentage climb in a week, as a fall in U.S. Treasury yields eased concerns the economic recovery could overheat and lead to stronger than expected inflation. The UK economy could endure a sharp rise in inflation, which would represent a stumbling block to the country's recovery amid the coronavirus pandemic.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The U.S. Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Monthly Budget Statement at 1900 GMT. Italy's Producer Price Index will be released at 900 GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's Foreign Bond Investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.